Man, dude, I don't know what the fuck going on with these niggas, man. Thinking they just go run around and do this shit, man, like that. Niggas, you just putting that whack ass shit on, man. Bitch, I come to your motherfucking city and take your shit. Don't give a fuck cause y'all bitches can't understand. Got better shit to deal with, I'm a grown ass man. Bitches seem to love her mind, got the pressure she can stand. But you feeling bad and empty night, ain't mama started missing. Put little one on the mission, paper chasing, crack dealing. This the only way we had to do it, living in the city. Niggas set tripping, bitching over bitches. Niggas popping pussy with them, man, this shit right here ridiculous. Me and my round sickening, don't let us come fuck over you. I'm just trying to reach the highest point, like what Hova do. Bitch, you know the truth. Fuck your people and what they going through. NBM, the mafia, grit gang will make our soldiers shoot. We know the truth. Bow. That's how I'm coming at these puss ass niggas, man. What up, grit gang, bitch? We in this bitch.